Welcome to Bike Shift, where we explore the machines that define the road. Today's spotlight is on the 2026 Royal Enfield Bobber 350, a motorcycle that blends classic bobber attitude with modern-day refinement. Built for riders who value character, comfort, and timeless style, this new bobber aims to make every ride feel personal and purposeful. The 2026 Royal Enfield Bobber 350 stays true to the bobber philosophy with a low-slung stance, minimalist bodywork, and a single floating seat that defines its silhouette. The chopped fenders, wide handlebars, and teardrop fuel tank give it a muscular yet elegant presence. Subtle chrome accents combined with deep, rich paint options enhance its retro charm, while modern LED lighting ensures it looks just as striking at night as it does during the day. Powering the Bobber 350 is a refined 350 cubic centimeters single-cylinder engine, tuned for smooth and relaxed cruising. The engine focuses on strong low-end torque, making city rides effortless and highway cruising calm and composed. Mated to a slick-shifting gearbox, the bike delivers a balanced performance that prioritizes ride quality over outright speed, perfectly matching the laid-back bobber character. Despite its bold stance, the 2026 Bobber 350 is designed with rider comfort in mind. The low seat height offers confidence to riders of all experience levels, while the well-cushioned seat supports long rides without fatigue. The suspension setup absorbs road imperfections effectively, and the wide tires provide stable handling. Whether navigating urban streets or enjoying open roads, the bike remains predictable and easy to control. Royal Enfield brings modern practicality to the Bobber 350 with a clean semi-digital instrument cluster, showing essential ride information clearly. Safety is supported by dual-channel ABS, offering reliable braking in varied conditions. Thoughtful additions like improved switchgear and refined ergonomics make daily riding more enjoyable without compromising the bike's classic appeal. The 2026 Royal Enfield Bobber 350 is expected to be positioned as a premium yet accessible motorcycle in the mid-capacity segment. It targets riders who want a factory-built bobber experience without the hassle of custom modifications, making it an attractive option for style-focused motorcyclists. The 2026 Royal Enfield Bobber 350 is more than just a motorcycle, it's a statement of individuality. With its timeless design, smooth performance, and everyday usability, it stands as a compelling choice for riders seeking classic soul with modern reliability. Stay connected with Bike Shift for more in-depth motorcycle stories and the latest updates from the world of two wheels.